Is XRP's price ready and primed to make a huge move? Of course, we all think so, and we're going to talk about that in this video. We're also going to talk about what's been forming here in the past 5 to 6 years, and that takes us through even the tumultuous times where we've seen XRP Ripple, the company, face the SEC. We're going to talk about that as well and give you some interesting new perspective. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video on this one, and appreciate you guys so much for watching the XRP content. Let me know that you're down there by dropping a comment, dropping a like. Definitely helps us out and helps us out in the old algorithm here on YouTube as well. But XRP hodlers, people still holding through these crazy times, await poetic justice as a grand wave nears. What is this grand wave? Well, the XRP price chart slowly revealing a long-awaited W shape. And again, this is Dark Defender on Twitter saying a big W that took 6 years to get in shape. Sit back, zoom out, have a look. XRP staying above the fire zone, proceeding to our targets. A lot of sideways action right now. But Dark Defender saying $1.33 is the climax and key touching our Grand Wave 3 target. So that is a target number that he's watching for. Now, Ripple has been super steady and certain on their gradual growth plan. Even amid all of the craziness that's been happening, they are still nose to the grindstone, building globally. The lawsuit from the SEC has likely only delayed the inevitable. Soon, XRP will be free to thrive across the world. We know the technology works. We know that big players love Ripple and what it brings to the table. We know how much better it is than traditional systems we have out there in terms of global payment solutions, sending money globally. Now, the vision of Ripple and XRP has already reached the world. I mean, outside the United States, Ripple is growing and expanding like crazy. And if they have to, they will move outside completely the U.S. and innovate elsewhere. With their global partnerships, they're setting themselves up in the Middle East. They're setting themselves up in Europe. They're setting themselves up in Asia, everywhere. Okay. Now, the Ripple team, including the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, they've stood against their battle against the SEC, stood their ground. A lot of people would have bowed out, right? XRP holders know this. This is why they're still bullish. They're remaining bullish, and they await now the big verdict of the case, which we are closer to hearing than ever before. And we actually just got the Hinman emails. You guys know all this and how bullish that was for XRP. Now, the Reddit cryptocurrency thread having some fun as well, having a huge discussion on how ridiculous the SEC is in its labeling almost all cryptos a security rampage. We went over that, obviously, as all of that was playing out. The discussion marvels at the strength of XRP because even though people are trying to tear down XRP, it was ranked number 3 on the market cap list when it got to the lawsuit. Presently, XRP is on, still in the top 10, ranked number 6, and hardly even fell, really, right? Still a $20 billion market cap, even amid all of this craziness, even not even being able to buy it on all your popular exchanges. Volume has still remained really high. Now, we're going to come back, and I have one more thing to talk to you about with XRP and where I think it's going. Before we do, though, great opportunity for you. If you're looking for a pre-sale, now this is not just some token pre-sale, okay? We, sure, play in the degen space. It's fun. This is for real. Enterprise blockchains. I love where it's heading. I've been lucky enough to get into some of these pre-sales in the last couple of years, and just amazing experiences when you get in with great companies. Grape is one of those companies. They are a new layer 1 trying to revolutionize how we look at the future of the internet and how we look at Web 4. Web 4 infrastructure has a lot to do with AI. We saw AI cryptos explode earlier this year. It's only going to get bigger. Right now, they're going through their distribution pre-sale, and I've partnered up with them to give you an opportunity. The links are down below if you're interested in buying in after you've done your homework here. The links are down below, and you are going to be, I think, very interested in terms of what you see here. Let me just take you down here first and show you a little piece of this, because if there's one takeaway, I'd say it's this. It says they choose virtual worlds, including the gaming industry, as the starting point to validate the functionality of their entire ecosystem. So it's not only going to be gaming, but they're starting here. And I like this because gaming is going to be, in my opinion, a sector to watch as we enter the next phase of this next bull cycle. They're going to be using the gaming industry to kind of test their scalability and potential that they have. Web3 gaming and metaverse, it's already growing. It already had a huge run in 2021, but it's the tip of the iceberg in my opinion. Remember, zoom out. There's only 5% of the world invested in crypto right now. Gaming is a multi-billion-dollar industry without blockchain, without the ability to own your assets, to make money, right? And that is what blockchain provides. Grape is not a system designed solely for gaming, though. It's a comprehensive Web3 ecosystem designed to withstand huge loads and has all the necessary functionality to support the needs of new dApps for various industries. We're talking the banking industry, the supply chain industry. In a nutshell, industries that are sensitive to real-time exchange of information and secure document turnover can be helped by utilizing the Grape infrastructure. I'm already in on the private sale. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. I highly encourage you to check it out, though, because what this company is offering is something I have yet to see in the space, and I am super excited to be partnered up with them and invested in their pre-sale already. And if you get interested after you've done your homework, again, my buy link is down below. You could buy as much as you want, as little as you want. Always gauge that with how much money you have to invest, right? But if you do, you're going to get a nice kickback on top. They're going to give you 10% more GRP tokens when they do launch. So check all that out down below. Now, back to XRP here for a minute. We'll go over to CoinMarketCap, just kind of see where we're at right now. Things are pulling back a little bit, but I'll remind you, XRP still in a great accumulation zone. Even amid all of the craziness and market spikes, market downturns, a lot of the negative news out there, the one thing that I really like to watch for with XRP and pretty much all cryptos that I hold, what are the whales doing? And when we look at XRP, whales continue to accumulate, meaning they have gotten even more bullish as time has gone on here, especially as this lawsuit has dragged on as well. So I'm more bullish than ever in XRP. I always say this, I don't feel like I have enough of it, but I do have a good amount, and I think it's still an opportunity to accumulate here under 50 cents, in my personal opinion. So that's what I've got for you guys. Appreciate you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.